Hi, this is Nessa from Infinitely Zero's channel, and I'm here today to share with you another yarn haul. This one was a great sale, the Black Friday sale from Premier's website, Premier Yarns. So they had deals for $1, $2, $3, $4, or $5 per skein. And again, I'm not affiliated with any of these stores. And I also wanted to mention, if you like my content so far, please like and subscribe to my channel. And here we're gonna get going, and today is November 29th. And I also wanted to mention this cardigan I'm wearing. I showed it in the first video, and it's actually the Habitat cardigan from Make and Do Crew, and I made it with the Herrschners Halloween sparkle yarn that came out this year. So this was like my Halloween inspired cardigan, which is actually very nice and comfy. So on to see some yarn. So these deals were great. So I managed to get way too much yarn. I got a lot of this Alpaca, which is a super bulky number 6 yarn, machine wash, cold, gentle cycle, lay flat to dry. And it comes, this is the color Smoke. It was $2 a skein. I'm not sure if the sale is still going on or not, and it's 86 yards or 79 meters per skein, and it's 80% acrylic and 20% alpaca, and it's pretty nice and soft, and it is fuzzy, and that's how the label looks like of everything that I just read to you, which is backwards. So you can't really read it anyways very easily. Next, I got some of this to try it out, the Premier Basics Mosaic. It's a 4 worsted weight yarn, 216 yards, 198 meters. It's very colorful with like rainbow colored, and it's 100% acrylic yarn. Yeah, and it haven't felt it yet. It seems like it would be pretty soft. And then I got a lot of this. I have some that's open, which is the Bamboo Chunky Anti-Pilling Yarn. It was on sale for $2 each skein, so I got plenty to actually make a cabled blanket and possibly some cute wearables, either cardigans or a cocoon cardigan or sweater. This is the colorway Raven, and it is 131 yards, 120 meters, 80% anti-pilling acrylic, 20% rayon from bamboo. Can't remember if I said it, 131 yards, 120 meters. Yeah, and it recommends a 6.5 millimeter hook, a case size, US case size. Yeah, and it's nice. It's nice and soft. I got the colorway. This is the Earl Grey color. In the same yarn. I also got so I got this in quite a few colors. This is the plum color, and all the specs are the same, which is like a nice pretty purple. And I also got this in the color this is Poppy Seed, which is like a medium kind of gray. This is the darker gray, which was the Raven, kind of almost a charcoal gray, sort of blackish. It's darker in person there. That's more realistic, the color, than when it was up close. Up close it looked more like a medium gray. And then I also got the colorway Mushroom, and this is the one I'm planning to do with the blanket, which is a little different from the Earl Grey. That's the Earl Grey. So it's very hard to... You could tell in person one's the mushroom is a little more beigeish, and the other, this one's which is the Earl Grey is a little more grayish. And this one goes more to tan. And I also got the Blue Lobster color, which is, let's pull it out of here. Which is like a pretty like dark teal. And if it helps at all, I will show you all of the poppy seed, the mushroom, the raven. These two are the same. I don't have, maybe I do have one open. No, I don't have one open of the Earl Grey. I can open it. Sorry about the crinkling noise. So if this helps at all, this is what these look like. There you go. And this one over here on the edge being the Earl Grey, this one being the mushroom, this one's poppy seed, and the last one's raven over there. Which would make a really nice gradient looking blanket or project. I also, these were at $1. This is their really nice, I guess, Fibra Natura Cotton True Sport. It's 100% Pima cotton. It's very soft. It's a fine 2-weight. It's, you can see how fine it is. Recommending a US size E4 3.5 millimeter hook, and it comes with, it's 50 grams and 180 meters, 197 yards of this. So I had also ordered another color of this, and it got canceled in my order. The blue got canceled. I guess they ran out. And this was the umber colorway, which is really pretty brown that I got. I also ordered this black metallic, very cool yarn. It's like with a silver. It's called Garden Metallic. It's lace weight, so it's a 0. That's about how fine it is. And they recommend a 1.70 millimeter crochet hook. It's 99% Egyptian Giza mercanized cotton, 1% glitter yarn, size 10 thread, 280 meters, 306 yards, 50 grams. It's a little scratchy, but not too bad. But this should look really nice, like paired up with another yarn or multiple threads, just so it'll be thicker. I had ordered a white metallic and a red with gold, and all those got canceled on me too. So that's why sometimes you just don't know. You try to order what you can, and sometimes they have enough inventory in stock, and sometimes they don't. So that's all I wanted to show you guys today and cover. I have another order which I did last night because I had seen a cool pattern for a blanket. And they have the bags currently at Premier 20% off for a pack of 3. So instead of their pack of 3 being usually $10, it was down to $8. And this was their chunky, their like Serenity chunky Premier yarn. Their Bloom Garden Premier yarn was $9.60 for the bag. And their Serenity Tweed Chunky was also $9. So I got some of that for the project. And I'm waiting on a few Lionbrand orders and a Herrschners order still to come in. And also I haven't shown my recrochet order. The one that I was waiting on did come in, but they did forget about one whole colorway, which is 8 skeins. That I had ordered, and it was the darker colorway, in the tweeds. So I figured I will show all of that once that arrives all together. And I have some mystery bags coming, so I'm very excited for that. My new first order for Aberdeen wools, so that'll be some really like nice, pretty high-end stuff. We'll see what comes in that. And I have 2 mystery bags coming in from Mary Maxim. So thanks so much. Enjoy, please like and subscribe. Bye. Oh, and let me know what other type of content you might be interested in. I had some thoughts concerning if maybe going over some books that I've found useful over the years, crochet or knit books, or not sure what other type of content I was thinking, or I know there's plenty of people out there that that do reviews on hooks and things like that, but I thought the books might be quite fun, or if anybody would be interested in like just the watch me crochet kind type of videos. So anyways, let me know in the comments below, and I may do a poll if I think about it, so if I remember. Bye. Thanks.